Welcome to BusyAI Technologies. Today's session is for kids interested in tech. Are you excited? BusyAI Academy Kids Playtime with Technology. Ava Bots. Now let's get started.
Letter A. This stands for artificial intelligence, a field of study in computer science that can help machines to think like humans. Artificial intelligence is popularly known as AI, and this technology is helping many industries do their jobs faster and easier. Now we go to the next letter.
The next alphabet is letter B. This stands for browser in the tech world. A browser helps us when we use our computers to connect to the internet. A browser, also called a web browser, is known by many as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. However, a browser is an application for accessing websites. Yes, it is an application for accessing a website. Hooray! Let's go to the next alphabet, letter C. This stands for ChatGPT. This is a popular artificial intelligence system designed to comprehend and communicate using human language in a genuine manner. It is a chatbot designed to help you work smarter, as it helps to make your life easier by providing answers to your question in a swift manner. It can help you solve a lot of problems in your academics. Now let's go to the next alphabet, letter D. This stands for desktop. A desktop is simply a computer display unit that represents the kinds of objects found on a physical desk. For example, documents, phone books, folders. Desktop is a display area that looks like your regular television at home. It helps to display objects. Now let's go to the next alphabet. Here we have letter E. E stands for electronic mail, otherwise known as email. This is a method of sending and receiving messages using electronic devices. We have the likes of Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Hotmail, Zoho Mail and many more. Now let's look at the next alphabet, letter F. F for folder. A folder is a storage space where many files can be placed in order to organize your portfolio in a computer. A folder can contain documents, music, videos, presentations and many more saved files. This helps to keep your desktop neat and properly arranged for future reference. You can save your folder with different names depending on your preference. Alphabet G. We all know the most used search engine, Google. This widely known as the most popular search engine. It helps you with feedback on searches. For example, you need to know the best IT academy in the UK. It will come up with names like BusyAI Academy, and many more. You can visit the website by typing www.google.com. The next alphabet is letter H. This stands for a hard disk drive, popularly called hard drive. A hard drive is an internal or external computer component that can be used to store data, such as files, music, games and many more. It can be used to store applications and operating systems. We have alphabet I. The world is a global network, and alphabet I represents the word internet spelt as I-N-T-E-R-N-E-T. Internet is a global network of billions and trillions of computers and several electronic devices. This helps us to access the web and share information to a global reach. We have alphabet J. Alphabet J represents JPEG. JPEG is a graphic image file. It is one of the most popular image formats that can be uploaded on several platforms. It is supported by many web browsers and image editing softwares. Many applications support JPEG extension for image uploads. Now let's go to the next alphabet. Letter K. Letter K stands for the word keyboard. Keyboard is a computer input device. It allows you to enter several letters, numbers, symbols and helps you to navigate a web browser. It can be used to play games, use calculator applications, and compose email easily on a computer. Now let's go to the next alphabet. Letter L stands for the word laptop. A laptop is a personal computer that is handy and can be easily carried and used in a variety of locations. It can fit in a school bag, backpack, or a regular suitcase. It comes in different sizes and it is very portable, which makes it easy to carry when traveling or while on a vacation. We have several laptop models ranging from Apple MacBooks to HP laptops. We have Alphabet M. M stands for computer mouse. It is a small input device that helps users navigate a computer screen as well as to select, click, highlight or assist with a list function for use on the computer screen. We will look at the next alphabet. Kids, I hope you are learning. Now let's go to letter N. Letter N. Letter N stands for a network. A compute network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow communications. Example of resources that can be shared is a printer. Now let's go to letter O. Letter O stands for the word online. When you hear the word online, it means that your computer or other network-related devices are connected to the internet service. Watching a YouTube, for instance, can be interpreted as being online. Listening to music or playing video games with your friends on the internet can be interpreted as being online. Using chat applications like WhatsApp, Facebook chat can be interpreted as being online. We now go to alphabet P. P is for printer. A printer helps to produce a document in a written format on a piece of paper. A printer can give output in colored or black and white. It helps with a copy of an electronic document on a piece of paper. We have several printers and some of them come with scanning options and photocopying options. We have alphabet Q. Q can be represented in the tech industry as Q for query language. A query language, also known as a data query or database query language, is a computer language used to make queries in databases and information systems. Now let's go to the next alphabet. The next alphabet is R. The letter R stands for the word router. A router is a common word in computer networking. It is a networking device that assists to forward data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions between networks and overall, on the global internet. Now let's go to the next letter. While we are looking at the alphabets in the tech language, please take note of the words, as they are very important in the tech industry. Data sent through a computer network, for example web page, electronic email, also known as email, is in the form of data packets. Now let's look at the next alphabet. I hope you are learning so fast. Tech is the future, and the future starts now. Our next alphabet is letter S, and we will be discussing something very important. The alphabet S. This stands for software. Software is a collection of instructions or programs that tell a computer or electronic device exactly what to do. Unlike physical hardware, software is intangible. It acts as the digital brain that bridges the gap between human needs and machine capabilities. Alphabet T stands for several tech words, but we will introduce you to the word tablet. A tablet is a portable, flat personal computer that uses a touchscreen as its primary input device. Next is alphabet U. Tech terms that starts with the letter U is much, but we will focus on letter U for USB. The is an acronym Universal Serial Bus and popularly known as USB. USB is an industry standard that allows data exchange and delivery of power between various types of electrical components. Now let's see the next alphabet. Kids, trust you are enjoying the BusyAIKids learning course. Now let's go to letter V. Our next alphabet is letter V, and this stands for the word virus. A computer virus is a dangerous software. The mission of a computer virus is to disrupt your computer system. It can spread between computer softwares and hardwares to cause damage to your data, your saved files, and corrupt your entire work. Computer viruses are malicious programs designed to self-replicate and spread by attaching themselves to clean files or software. The three primary types of viruses are macro, boot sector, and file infector viruses. The first one, macro viruses. These viruses are written in the same programming scripts used for legitimate tasks in common programs like Microsoft Word or Excel. Boot sector target the critical part of a hard drive or USB that the computer uses to load its operating system. They activate the moment you turn on or reboot your machine, while file infectors viruses specifically target executable files. Alphabet W stands for the word website. A website is a set of pages of information on the internet about a particular subject, published by a single person or an organization. Let's talk about letter X. X stands for Xbox, a home video game console capable of connecting to a television or any display media to keep you busy at home. Now we go to the next alphabet, alphabet Y. This stands for YouTube. This is our favorite channel where our family and loved ones watch videos, listen to music and learn. And finally, we talk about letter Z. This stands for Zoom. We use it for virtual meetings, events, and conferences. Zoom is an application software that offers video conferencing and allows the host to share presentations and screen sharing to the participants online. You can hold your meeting and conferences using a Zoom link. We have now come to the end of the alphabets in tech. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.